Hello guys, how you doing? Back again, your boy doing this thing. Before we get into this video, I just want to thank you guys for the great support you've shown me, for the time you spent watching my videos, sharing it, leaving comments and liking it. From the bottom of my heart, I say thank you for the love you show me, the same love the creator shall show you. So today, welcome to another episode of Eccentric Dave. Let's go.
Perfect, perfect, perfect,
So today, we're making homemade almond milk. You know, it's one of them things that we like, because these days everyone like to eat healthy, and a lot of people like to use almond milk. So using the cow milk, they like to use the plant-based milk. And today I will show you guys how to make your homemade version, because with your homemade version you can actually make it to sweeten to the way you like it. Because sometimes when I buy the almond milk, I don't really like them because sometimes it's so watery. I think it's the taste is just bland, is poor. I don't really like the taste. I just feel they could do it better with the almond milk. At least add some decent flavors to them. So today we're making a homemade version, simple. You can keep in the fridge. It can last you 3 to 5 days, and it's very healthy. So to make the homemade almond milk, I just give you a simple, measurement, a way to know how much liquid you need for the amount of almonds you got. I know they're very expensive, by the way. They're very expensive, so it's just one of them things that you want to treat yourself. You just want to make some homemade. If you can find where you can find a big batch of almonds, then that's very good. Then you can make this and really make this and make this again and again and again. But today we'll just be making 1 pint of almond milk that will last us 3 to 5 days. Just one. So all we need, so this is the ratio. So one cup of almond milk, almond is equals to 3 cups of water. So the water that you're going to be using, make sure it's drinkable water. So today I'll be using this water, bottled water. So make sure it's a drinkable water, because obviously you're going to be consuming the water, and this is not going in no cooker or nothing. So you're going to be, it's quite straightforward. So what we got here today is the almond itself. Almond. Okay. And then we got some dates for sweetness. I use dates, so putting sugar. I like using dates because it has its own natural sweetness and it's all natural. We want this as natural as possible. And I'll put a little bit of vanilla for that flavor. I like it to have a bit of flavor. It's just to enjoy it. It gives you that flavor. So I'll put a bit of vanilla extras. That's all you need, guys. And of course, you need to show you guys what to do with it, but we'll get there in a minute. So that's all you need, really. So let's get cracking. Let's do this. Let's make ourselves some almond milk. First, what you want to do with these guys is, so if you know you're going to be having them today, you want to make it today, you soak it before. So what you want to do, you want to soak this for 24 to 48 hours in a bowl of cold water. Leave this to just sit in there, because what happens is it gets softer, easy to liquidize, and also the skin can fall off. So that's what we need to do, is to soak this, and then we could get cracking on with this. So yes, here's the one I've done before. This one's here, I've been soaking since last night. So it's very soft, and this is what happens when you soak it for that long. The skin just comes off. It's that simple. Got another one. Skin just comes off. So that's what we want, really. See that one going flying? you just want the skin to come off that easily. So that's what we're trying to achieve, is to get the skins off. And it gets, this is how you know it's ready. It doubles in size, really. Almost doubled itself in size. And yeah, the skin just falls off. So that's what we need. So what we're going to do now, we're going to get all the skins off, and then we'll get the action going in place. But I'll do this off camera, because you don't want to sit here watching me remove all the skins, do ya? So yeah, get all your almond and liquidizer. Make sure you add 3 cups of water. 3 cups of water. 3 cups of drinkable water, by the way, because don't forget, guys, you're going to be drinking this. This is going to get bottled, stored in the fridge, and used when we want to use it. So 3 cups of water. You see that? It just depends on, by the way, I'm going to add my dates now, but it depends on how much dates, how much sweetness you like. I like my stuff really sweet, so I'll put 3. You can put 1, it's up to you. Put it to your taste. So simple as that. A tiny bit of vanilla extra. Look at the amount I'm using, not very much. Just in the lid, just to give it that flavor. And a pinch of salt. A pinch of salt. And that's it. And then now, I want to turn this into a milk. Let the action take place. So it's time to liquidize our milk. You see, that is our milk. And now what we need to do is separate all this almond particle from the milk itself, and we can bottle it. And this can last in your fridge for 3 to 5 days. You guys need to try this. If you like what you're seeing so far, subscribe, smash that button, share with your friends, leave comments. Let me know if you tried this before. Let me know what else you've added to it, and how much you can do it. If you want to even add this to make it more flavory to your choice, your taste, you can add cocoa butter to give you that chocolate taste. You just add whatever you want to add to. Just experiment with it. Have fun. You know what I'm saying? Leave comment. Let me know what you've done with it, and now we can improve or make it better on the next time we do something like this again. So what we're going to do now, we're going to separate this, and then we're going to bottle our milk. So it's time to separate our milk from the almond content. So what you will need is a sieve, a bowl of course, a sieve, and a cheesecloth. What we do, we'll put a cheesecloth over the sieve, like that. See it? And then we're going to pour. See it? See it? There you go. Easy peasy. And there goes our milk. Almond milk. Healthy. Good for you. Part of your 5 a day. If you know what I mean. Let's just see through. Let it go through the cheesecloth. You want to trap all the particles, you know. So we're just gonna pour everything in. So what you can do to help this sieve through quicker, you get a spoon or whatever and just stir it. Let it just go through. Keep stirring it. That's it. Gonna go through. And pour the rest of the content in there. Look at that. Do you see that? That's the date. The date for the sweetness. So guys, if you've got any description, any opinions, should I say, just let me know. So now we've got all the liquid in there. What we're gonna do to make sure we get all the milk content, just get the cheesecloth like that. See it? And then you want to give it a twist, firm twist. Twist every single juice that you can get of this baby as much as possible. And this, guys, is our almond milk. Oh, I gotta love that. check my milk. So what's left now in the content of this cheesecloth? Let me show you guys. 1 second, I'll show you. I'll tell you what you can do with this. So we've got the rest of the almond. You see that? See me? I don't throw this away. I keep it. See that? Crumbly. What you can do, you could put this in the oven, put it in the oven, spread it out in the oven, let it dry up, and then you can use it as a topping on the yogurt or on the breakfast, on your breakfast yogurt. Have that as part of a yogurt. Or what you can do, you got some sugar in the pan and fry this with some sugar. It's delicious, trust me. Remember, we used to have this as a kid. And then you can even mold it. See that? That's what you can do this with it. See that? You can mold it like that. See that? Into bowls. Hold on, let me show you. So just get your hands firm. Like that. Mold it into bowls. And then you can fry it. They're beautiful. If you guys want to see me do something with this, leave some comment. Let me know if you guys want to see stuff like that. So that's it. So now what we do, we're just gonna bottle our milk. We're gonna bottle our milk. I wasn't planning to really do this on camera, but for you know what, I'll show you guys how clear this milk is. It's so clear. Wow. I'm actually impressed. So there you go, guys. Homemade almond milk. Beautiful. Homemade milk for the family at home. That's it. See that? Homemade almond milk. Now you could keep this in the fridge for 3 to 5 days. 3 to 5 days, you can enjoy your almond milk with your own tastes. Don't forget, guys, you can always add chocolate to this. You can, I would say add cocoa powder is better. Yeah, add some cocoa powder to this to give you that chocolate flavor. Add more dates to it to give you more sweetness if you want. So guys, try this. It's your boy, Eccentric Dave, with another almond homemade milk. Almond homemade milk. And I'm out. So, want to put it in like that. And then it's time to make our milk. You remove all the skins. Get this plain white inside. So today, get ready for an